Would you like to know how to become a YouTube hero? Well, that's actually what I do. That's my career. I produce 20 different channels right now, all of them featuring influencers that are seen as heroes to their subscribers. Of all the different types of videos that you'll find on YouTube, there's one type that really works magic in making you the hero. So in this episode, you'll learn what that type is, you'll learn how to make them, you'll learn how many of those episodes you need to create. We're going to discuss whether they sell well, how you script them. You'll even learn how people are going to find these videos once you make them. Let's dive right in. Okay, I'm going to share the secret right now. The one type of video that will get you the best results and build a following of people who actually see you as a hero is a how-to video. Yeah, you just need to make how-to videos, and that's the best strategy for having people see you as a hero. So before you think you have the answer and you're just ready to leave, make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'm going to show you the strategy. There's a right way and a wrong way to do how-to videos, and most people don't follow the steps I'm about to share. Now, as I was researching content for this episode, I actually came across the question, how many how-to videos are there on YouTube? And I really don't know the answer to that. I don't really care what the number is, but I know that it's huge, right? That's the way that people search the most often when they ask any question. It's how to blank. And I know personally, I've been offering this service for 6 years and we launch hundreds and hundreds of episodes every single month. So we're a big part of why there's so many how-to videos on YouTube. Do how-to videos sell well from YouTube? That's a pretty good question, and the answer is yes, and here's why. Okay, you already have your target audience. People that are looking for your expertise. Compare that to any other type of channel or video on YouTube. If it's entertaining or it's sports or if it's music, you've got a really broad audience, but they're not really focused around a topic or an expertise or a product in most cases. I mean, when I said that, I thought about product review channels, and sometimes product review channels might be an exception, but typically even those channels, they make most of their revenue from ad revenue. They're not really selling those products, or they might have an affiliate link to Amazon. But with a how-to video, they have a question about what you sell, right? They have a question you have expertise in, and if you sell a course, or you provide coaching, or you speak on that subject, that's what you sell. And so bringing them to you, this is a very high quality lead for your business. So how do you actually make money then with how-to videos? Because you don't want to sell. This isn't a commercial. This is a how-to video. You've watched many of them and you haven't felt sold to, right? If you feel like it's a commercial, we leave. In a how-to video, you answer their question. You teach them how to do it, or how to follow the steps, or what are the secret ways to do this. When you get to the end of the video, you give them a free gift. It's your call to action, and it's a lead magnet. That's how you get their contact information. So let's say you answered a question about how to invest in real estate with no money. At the end of that video, you say, okay, now that you know that it's possible and you know this strategy on how to invest in real estate with no money, I want to give you this book. It shares all my strategies of investing in real estate, and I want to give this book to you for free. You just cover the shipping costs. Go ahead and click the link below, and this book is yours for free. After they sign up for your book, guess what they're going to see? They're going to see a video where you explain more about your other services, and you also have their contact information. And if they got that free plus shipping book, now you have their phone number, you know that they're a buyer, you have their shipping address. Yeah, this is a high quality lead. How many people search for how-to videos? Yeah, that's actually the most common thing that people search for, or that's the way that they phrase it. How to blank. I mean, there are plenty of exceptions, like what is the best, right? But how to is definitely the most common. I actually do keyword research for my clients all the time, and when you see the volume of people asking how-to questions, there are millions and millions of how-to questions asked every single day on Google and YouTube. So how do you come up with ideas for your YouTube videos? Well, I have the best answer that you're gonna find. I've got this tool, it's called the Keyword Magic Tool. The company who does it, semrush.com. They have a lot of tools. You can ignore the rest of those. Maybe they're good and stuff, but I don't use any of them but this one. Now, before hitting record, I asked my team, what topic should I demonstrate? And so the first one I'm gonna do is like tire repair. So let's say you're an expert mechanic and you're gonna help somebody change their tires. Let's see what type of questions people are searching. So all I did is I typed in tire repair, I hit search. I'm gonna come over here and hit this button that says questions. And then I like long questions, so I'm gonna turn on an advanced filter and take the word count up to 8. So that means I'm looking for questions that are 8 words or longer. All right, so right off the bat, how much does it cost to repair a tire? How much does Discount Tire charge for flat repair? How long will a tire plug repair last? How much does it cost to repair a bike tire? So if you want to come up with ideas, look at this. I've just got hundreds and hundreds of ideas of video titles. That's a great way to come up with video ideas. So now that I've painted a picture of how to become a YouTube hero, you probably want to know more in depth of how to make these how-to videos on YouTube and do it the right way. Well, I've got another episode right here that you can watch next. It's called How to Get 1,000 Subscribers on YouTube in a Day.